Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson, we have learned when and while sentences in Tulu. Today we are going to learn conditional mode or if clauses in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. Today we will learn how to translate if in Tulu. Look at the following sentences. If you call me, I will come. If he comes, tell me. If I help you, will you help me? As you see, we have two parts in each sentence. We have if clause at one side and main clause at other side. In Tulu, if clause can be formed by adding the suffix da to the verb conjugations in all the tenses. Let us see an example. Malpu means do. Ir malpuvar means you do or you will do. Ir malpuvar plus da. Ir malpuvar da means if you do. Panu means say or tell. Ar pandir means he or she said. Ar pandir da means if he or she said. Okay, let us conjugate the verb baru in conditional mode in all the tenses. First one, present of future tense, affirmative. Yan barpeda, if I come. E barpada, if you come. Aye or imbe barpeda, if he comes. Alu or mol barpalda, if she comes. Av or undu barpunda, if it comes. Nama or inkulu barpada, if we come. Iru or nikulu barparada, if you come. Akulu mokulu aru or mir barperda, if they come. Nekulu or aikulu barpada, if they come. Next one, present of future tense, negative. Yan barpujeda, if I don't come. E barpujeda, if you don't come. Aye or imbe barpujeda, if he doesn't come. Alu or molu barpujalda, if she doesn't come. Av or undu barpujida, if it doesn't come. Nama or enkulu barpujada, if we don't come. Iru or nikulu barpujarda, if you don't come. Akulu mukulu aru or mir barpujarda, if they don't come. Nekulu or aikulu barpujada, if they don't come. Next one, past tense, affirmative. Yanu batteda, if I came. E battada, if you came. Aye or imbe batteda, if he came. Alu or molu battalda, if she came. Av or undu battanda, if it came. Nama or enkulu battada, if we came. Iru or nikulu battarda, if you came. Akulu mukulu aru or mir batterda, if they came. Nekulu or aikulu battada, if they came. Next one, past tense negative. Yanu battijeda, if I didn't come. E battijada, if you didn't come. Aye or imbe battijeda, if he didn't come. Alu or molu battijalda, if she didn't come. Av or undu battijida, if it didn't come. Nama or enkulu battijada, if we didn't come. Iru or nikulu battijarda, if you didn't come. Akulu mukulu aru or mir battijarda, if they didn't come. Nekulu or aikulu battijada, if they didn't come. Next one, present perfect tense, affirmative. Yanu baideda, if I had come. E baidada, if you had come. Aye or imbe baideda, if he had come. Alu or molu baidalda, if she had come. Av or undu baidalda, if it had come. Nama or enkulu baidada, if we had come. Iru or nikulu baidalda, if you had come. Akulu mukulu aru or mir baiderda, if they had come. Nekulu or Aikulu, Baidada, if they had come. Next one, present perfect tense, negative. Yanu Baidijeda, if I had not come. E Baidijeda, if you had not come. I or Ibe, Baidijeda, if he had not come. Alu or Molu, Baidijelda, if she had not come. Au or Undu, Baidijida, if it had not come. Nama or Inkulu, Baidijada, if we had not come. Iru or Nikulu, Baidijelda, if you had not come. Akkulu Mukkulu, Aru or Meir, Baidijelda, if they had not come. Nekulu or Aikulu, Baidijada, if they had not come. Please note that in Tulu we use present perfect tense with if clause, while in English it is past perfect tense. Let us see one more example. Buru means to fall. First one, present or future tense, affirmative. Yana Buruveda, if I fall. Au or Undu, Burunda, if it falls. Next one, present or future tense, negative. Yana Burujeda, if I don't fall. Au or Undu, Burujida, if it doesn't fall. Next one, past tense, affirmative. Yana Buryeda, if I fell. Au or Undu, Burunda, if it fell. Next one, past tense, negative. Yana Burijeda, if I didn't fall. Au or Undu, Burijida, if it did not fall. Next one, present perfect tense, affirmative. Yana Burdeda, if I had fallen. Au or Undu, Burdunda, if it had fallen. Next one, present perfect tense, negative. Yana Burdijeda, if I had not fallen. Au or Undu, Burdijida, if it had not fallen. Now let us translate these three sentences in Tulu. First one, if you call me, I will come. You call me means E enanu leppuva. I will come. Yanu barpe. The whole sentence will be E enanu leppuvada yanu barpe. If you call me, I will come. E enanu leppuvada yanu barpe. Second one, if he comes, tell me. He comes. In Tulu, it will be I barpe. Tell me. Enadapan. The whole sentence will be I barpeda enadapan. If he comes, tell me. I barpeda enadapan. Third one, if I help you, will you help me? I help you. In Tulu, it will be Yana nikku saya malpuva. Will you help me? E enku saya malpana. The whole sentence will be Yana nikku saya malpveda. E enku saya malpana. If I help you, will you help me? Yana nikku saya malpveda. E enku saya malpana. These translated sentences in Tulu are correct. However, normally in spoken Tulu, the third person neuter past tense singular form like battanda, burunda, use it for all persons in all tenses regardless of singular or plural. So above three sentences can also be translated to Tulu as E enanu lettanda yanu barpe. If you call me, I will come. E enanu lettanda yanu barpe. Instead of leppuada, we use lettanda. I battanda enadapan. If he comes, tell me. Instead of barpeda, we use battanda. I battanda enadapan. Yana nikku saya maltanda, e enku saya malpana. If I help you, will you help me? Instead of malpveda, we use maltanda. Yana nikku saya maltanda, e enku saya malpana. As you see, these sentences are future conditional sentences. but we use the third person neuter past tense singular form like lettanda, battanda, maltanda while translating if clause. Today we are learning only future conditional sentences. In the next lesson we will learn past conditional sentences. Let us see more examples now. ಈ ಓದಂಡ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಡು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಪ. If you study, you will pass the exam. ಈ ಓದಿಜಿಡ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಡು fail ಆಪ. If you don't read, you will fail the exam. ಬರ್ಸ ಬತ್ತಂಡ ಯಾನ್ ಚಂಡಿ ಆಪೆ. If it rains, I will get wet. ಬರ್ಸ ಬತ್ತಂಡ ಯಾನ್ ಚಂಡಿ ಆಪೆ. ದಾಲ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇತ್ತಂಡ ಏನಡ್ ಪಲ್ಲೆ. If you have any problem, tell me. ದಾಲ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇತ್ತಂಡ ಏನಡ್ ಪಲ್ಲೆ. ಏರ್ಲ ಬತ್ತಂಡ ಏನನ್ ಲೆಪ್ಪು. If anyone comes, call me. ಏರ್ಲ ಬತ್ತಂಡ ಏನನ್ ಲೆಪ್ಪು. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬತ್ತಂಡ ಎಂಗ್ ತೆರಿಪಾವ್. If you come tomorrow, let me know. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬತ್ತಂಡ ಎಂಗ್ ತೆರಿಪಾವ್. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಪಡ ಎಂಗ್ ತೆರಿಪಾವ್. If you will come tomorrow, let me know. Here we have to use the future tense form varpada in the if clause since it expresses willingness or a wish. Aye barpada barad. If he wants to come, let him come. Again, this sentence expresses a wish, so we use the future tense form barpada instead of battanda. Aye barpada barad. Anda inko onji saya malpana. If possible, can you do me a favor? Anda inkonji saya malpana. Anda bayyaga tikkuve. If possible, I will meet you in the evening. Anda bayyaga tikkuve. Dala bodanda enan leppule. If you need anything, call me. Dala bodanda enan leppule. Also, we can add the suffix da directly to the modal verbs like bodu, bocchi, andu, attu, au, etc. Bodu means need. Bodu da means if needed or if wanted. Bocchi means need not or not wanted. Bocchi da means if not needed. Andu means yes or true. Andada means if it is yes or if it is true. Attu means no. Attada means if it is not or it simply means or. Avu means okay. Avuda means if it is okay. Dala boduda enaleppule. If you need anything, call me. Dala boduda enaleppule. Ireg borchida pirakorle. If you don't need, return it. Ireg borchida pirakorle. I enna dosti andada ink saya malpuve. If it is true that he is my friend, he will help me. I enna dosti andada ink saya malpuve. Ee attada beteir. If not you, who else? Ee attada beteir. Nikku avuda detonu. If it is okay for you, buy it. Nikku avuda detonu. Following words are frequently used with if clause in Tulu. First one, vanjivele or vanjele or vanjipaksha means by chance or in case. Second one, matra means only. Third one, mini means by any chance. Now let us see example sentences using these three words. Vanjivele barsa battanda yan vannaga portavu. In case it rains, I may get late. Vanjivele barsa battanda yan vannaga portavu. Ee lettanda matra barpe. I will come only if you call me. Ee lettanda matra barpe. The word mini may have different meanings when used in sentences. Nikku mini gottunda? Do you know by any chance? Nikku mini gottunda? Enardu mini avandu. It's not possible for me in any case. Enardu mini avandu. Akulu mini barvera? Will they come by any chance? Akulu mini barvera. Yan bannaga portanda mini nerorchi. If by any chance I am late, don't scold me. Yan bannaga portanda mini nerorchi. ಒಂಜುವೇಳೆ ಯಾನ್ ಬನ್ನಗ ಪೊರ್ತಾಂಡ ಮಿನಿ ಎಂಕ್ ಕಾಪೊಡ್ಚಿ. ಇಫ್ ಬೈ ಎನಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಒಂಜುವೇಳೆ ಯಾನ್ ಬನ್ನಗ ಪೊರ್ತಾಂಡ ಮಿನಿ ಎಂಕ್ ಕಾಪೊಡ್ಚಿ. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson we will learn past subjunctive mood in Tulu. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.